The calculator. You know that some of your pay goes into your super, and maybe you're even putting in a bit extra. But do you actually know where all that money will put you at retirement? Or you might have heard that you need a certain dollar amount at retirement. But what does that really mean for your lifestyle week by week? And do you know how to get there anyway? Great news! We have a retirement projection calculator that lets you put in all your details and see what retirement balance you're on track for and how long it will last you through your retirement. You can play with different variables like putting extra money in, retiring earlier or later, or taking a larger or a smaller income in retirement. You can also put in your spouse's information and see what happens if you retire at the same time or different times. And you can work out if and when you could qualify for the age pension. The calculator is free and available to everyone. Head to our website to try it out for yourself. If you use the calculator and then want more information about what you discover, you can make a free appointment to chat to our member services team.